Hi viewers, today we're going to review this Android TV stick HK1 4K, and this is the 3-step setup. So Wi-Fi connection. So these are the dedicated buttons. It has YouTube, so we will open it and see. This is a quick start guide, so nothing special, just plug and play. All you need to do is bind the Bluetooth remote. This is the remote, Bluetooth remote with the mic. So we have my so can voice search as well. Control, and these are the common troubleshooting steps. This is all the box contents. So you will get a power USB Type-C power cable, HDMI male to female. So this is the power stick. So this is the Android TV stick. So this is the HK1. You can see it has 3 Type-C for power and one USB port 3.0, and the bottom you have opening for ventilation, and the HK1 logo, D8 model. This is the 32 GB 4 RAM. This is the HDMI port 2.0. And this is the cable, HDMI cable, male to female. So as this stick is bulky, so it may not perfectly fit with the USB port, HDMI port on the back of the TV. So especially we have multiple devices connected, so that's why they giving extension cable. And this is the USB cable for power, Type-C USB cable for powers. And this is the Bluetooth remote. As you can see, it has dedicated buttons. Apps, for apps it has app for apps, dedicated button. It has Bluetooth, and settings also it has dedicated button, along with the YouTube, and also a pointer button as well. Now we will check its performance. I have connected it to my 65-inch LG TV, which is a 4K TV UHD. So let's see the boot time. So this TV sticks runs on Android 13, not a official one, not a Google official. It's a custom OS. Like in both, it has both mobile platform base and TV platform base. So it took around 35 seconds to boot, and immediately after boot the remote is not responding. So for 5 seconds it's taking 5 seconds for remote to respond. And this is a dedicated memory clear button, so later I will tell why it was kept over there. And this is the settings. Let's go through the settings. Normal settings, just like you find in Android tvOS. So this display settings, HDMI. I have set the resolution to my TV's NATO resolution, which is a 4K 60 frames per second. So you can see all the as you can see, there is 4K and true 4K, like UHD and true 4K resolutions are there. And this is advanced settings. You can adjust the parameters. HDMI, I set it to auto. About in the about, you can see it runs on Android 13. So as I told, this is not a official Google TV OS. This is a custom, runs on a custom OS. So we'll get a full Play Store, just like a mobile, and as a TV, Android TV as well. So Bluetooth, normal Bluetooth. So decoding, keyboard, languages, has multiple languages, not an issue. Decoding, you can see it supports multiple audio formats. Right now I have set it to auto. So, and display, normal display settings. Here also I set it to auto. So format, everything is auto. And audio formats, same thing here, auto. It's set to auto. According to the content, it will take the right format. Inputs, normal kind of HDMI control. Storage, as you can see, you are getting 32 GB internal storage. This is the normal home screen settings and normal settings. Let's see the advanced settings. What you have here, nothing special. So we'll check for more settings. This device has a root option, so you can enable the root option, and there is auto start option as well. So might be due to, we can set a app to auto start or stop it, or auto updates. So let's check the pre-installed apps. So all these are pre-installed apps except that HD stream and file manager plus, which are installed. Remaining all the inbuilt apps. We have Wi-Fi display as well, air receiver for Apple, Aptoid TV. Let's check the 4K capabilities. I have set I'm playing the only 4K 60 frames per second videos because that's my TV resolution. So as you can see, it's playing well. So no issues in 4K 60 frames per second. Let me confirm it's taking the 4K resolution or it's taking the auto resolution. So it's little bit slow. Okay, it's taking the auto for 2.2K, not 4K. So let me select 4K. So it's not capable of playing 4K. I have high-speed internet, and that's not an issue. No issue about internet, and so definitely it's an issue within the TV stick. So my internet speed is high-speed internet. There is no issue. I have other Android TV boxes, me cool, a couple of them. No issues with them. So it's definitely issue with the TV stick itself. So it's not playing 4K 60 frames per second. So not sure why it's unable to play 4K. See, it's automatically taking 2K. Generally it will take as per our internet speed, but my internet speed is high. That's no doubt in it. So I'm trying again, but still it was freeze. So 4K 60 frames not working. So it's only up to 2K. I'm not sure why it's. That's why even I set my native resolution. That's why I playing the 4K 60 frames per second video. Even this it's stuck. We'll do one thing. I'm trying to jump, so even the remote response also a little bit slow while trying to play. So there was a delay in remote in operation as well while switching to 4K. Let's switch to 2K. We'll see, will it free? Yeah, it's playing normally. So unable to play 4K. Not sure. Even I tried to change a different HDMI cable after this, but still the issue is there. So the issue is not with the cable. So let's try to play another video which is a 4K 60 frames, which is also a 4K 60 frames per second. One more thing I notice is that each and every time after playing any 4K video, the remote response is like jerky, laggy. So we need to go to home screen and clear that, run that memory clear button. But need to double check, is it taking the 4K or just like in the previous video 2K. Let's see. Yeah, it's taking 4K, not 4K, 2K. Let's change it to 4K and see. Now it's 4K 60 frames. Same issue again. So it's struggling to play 4K at 60 frames per second. So one thing for sure, my internet speed is good, no doubt in it. I have fast internet and it was connected on a 5 GHz band. So and the router is below the TV. So even that this Android TV stick also next to the router, so no issue of Wi-Fi. So definitely something wrong within this Android TV stick. So why it's struggling to play 4K 60 frames and in the settings. Now we will check the screen mirroring capabilities. Actually I shoot this video in 4K 60 frames per second and I am mirroring via Wi-Fi. Both the TV and the mobile are both in the same Wi-Fi network and I am very close to the TV. So as you can see in the videos, you can see it was like jerky, lot of frame drops. So even the Wi-Fi screen mirroring also, Wi-Fi display is also not good and in this TV stick. Now we will look into this Android TV stick inside. This is the gold plated HDMI port, seems to be, and this black color is the aluminum heatsink. Beside that you can see all the micro SD card slot and USB power cables, USB power, USB type C port. And below that you can see the Wi-Fi antenna, strip based Wi-Fi antenna. Yes, and this is the reset switch below. uh, and as I told you, micro SD card slot, type C port. Beside that we have a USB port and Wi-Fi chip, dual band Wi-Fi chip with integrated Bluetooth, and this is the heatsink. As you can see from the side, it was laid on the storage chip and the main CPU rock chip. Simple heatsink device, that's why it's getting somewhat hot within the short time of the usage. So we will remove it and see. You can see it was sitting on the both chips. See, I removed the heatsink, so you can see the rock chip, the main chip and the storage chip